Hi everyone, this is Ton from Carbon. Today I'm going to show you how to do data farm on your mobile phone, okay? So I have an iPhone. It should be similar process for an Android phone, but if you have any issue, just book a call and I will help you with that process, okay? So we're basically going to open, so let me show you what it is. So I have these two browsers here, Chrome and Safari, and I'm using Safari. You open up and you just type nft.carbondx.com, okay? And make sure you log in and you will see this familiar homepage here. And on the top right, just click on the hamburger bar. And if you click on it, you just navigate to my NFT. Okay. Scroll up a little bit and you will see the button Renew Start Your Data Farm. Go ahead and click on that button. Of course, you're very familiar with this process here where it shows your webhook and the message body that you need to create the alert. Next, you will click on this button called Open Your TradingView Strategy to Data Farm. If you click on that, it's going to open up a TradingView strategy from Carbon, and it comes with a collective X indicator, okay? So let me click on that. It opens up TradingView in view-only mode. And as you can see, there's an exclamation icon. That means that either I'm not logging in, and it's not showing the collective X indicator, okay? Or we don't have access to it. Or you logging in, you just didn't have access to the collective X indicator, you will then have to reach out support, okay, and provide the username of this particular TradingView account. And they will then give you access. And when that happens, this is what you will see. So in this case, I'm not logging in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right. Once I'm signed in, you notice that the exclamation icon has disappeared. And that means I have access to the indicator, okay? As you can see all this, right? All these alert popping up, and you see that dashboard say percent profitable, 100%, average number bar in trades is 23, okay? So the next step is the following. You, on the top right, just click on copy. That will copy the chart layout, hit save. All right, so once you do that, you will have a copy now in your account, okay? So what you need to do, there's a down arrow, click on that. And as you can see, when I do that, it pops up this little, which is the indicator itself with the parameter, right? So if you see something like in this kind of numbering, it's 300, 0.3, 30. What I want you to do is I want you to click on that. Now it shows you the icon, the setting icon, the delete, and then the horizontal 3 dots that you see as well. I want you to click on that horizontal 3 dots. Now this opened the alert mode here. I want you to click on any area in here for the Add Alert Collective X. I'm just going to click on it. This pop-up, this familiar Create Alert, which you're probably very familiar with when you did it on your desktop, okay? So what we need to do under the Setting tab, we click on Expiration down here. Now I have a premium, so my alert never expires, but this is what's going to look like on your end. So you will have to click on the calendar, and then you will just gonna push it to the last available date, okay? So today is November 19. So it would give you probably general 19, probably the last date, or 18, general 18, which is the, 59 days from now, for you to basically select that last date. So let's say that January 1st is the last date. You click on set. Once you're done, you go to message. And what you need to do, I need you to clear. I double click on it and kind of drag the handle here to highlight everything. And I hit backspace. That clears it out. Okay. Now we have to fill the message body there. So how you do that? So down the bottom here, they have a switch tab. Okay. So it's just click on the bottom right. Just click on that. I'm going to switch back to Carbon Collector, and I'm going to copy the message body. There you go. It says up here, message body copy to clipboard. And then I click on the switch tab down here again. I go back to the create alert and I just paste it in there. I just touch it. It'll pop up, click on paste. Then the alert name, with the alert name, I like to put 59 days, whatever that date that you click to set, right? So let's say it's 1-19, 2026. Okay. And then I usually put the word NFT. So if you have a lot of alerts and you want to group them by Carbon NFT alert, you put the word NFT. So you just do a search and you will find those NFT alerts. Okay. Now you don't have to, but if you have a lot of alert that you have saved, and then followed by my Carbon account, right? The one that I'm curling in to do the data farming. And this is my Gmail that I'm logging in for that account. Okay. So you can do that. You can put whatever you want. It could be mom, dad, whatever. But if you deal with a lot of alert, you do a lot of data farm for other people, I like to get their Carbon account email and put it there. So if somehow they reach out for me to do the data farm for them on my PayTradingView account, I just do a search by their Gmail and I will find that because I have to end up deleting that to create the new alert for them, right? So that's the reason that I have the Gmail account there. All right. So next will be click on notification. Make sure everything is unchecked except the webhook. Now, if this is your first time doing this, you will have to go through the 2FA to enable it before you actually can use the webhook URL. Now, if you struggle with that, just book or submit a ticket with us, and we will help you with that process. Okay. So in this case, I uncheck everything. I check webhook, and I will have to delete this. I double click backspace. Okay. I navigate back. So I'm going to switch tab again. Let's go back to Carbon and we're going to copy the webhook. Okay, it's been copied. Let me switch back to the other. There you go. So let me paste it in here. So now I'm done. Okay, so let's refresh this. Notification, webhook, message tab, message body, give it alert and name, and setting tab. Just extend your date, okay, to the last available date. And all you have to do is click on create, and you're done. All right. So with the phone, you have to make the copy of the chart layout. So if you're in premium, in the essential plan, they'll let you save 5 save chart layout. Okay. So next time, if you save 5 and then you do the another data farm, it's going to ask you, say, hey, you have save more than 5 save layout. They want to ask you to basically upgrade, right, to the next one, which is the plus. So in order for you to avoid that, you just have to delete all your save chart that you have copied to do the data farm. Now, how do you do that on an iPhone? On the top left, you see the profile icon. Click on it. And very top, that's the last. This is the chart that I copied. That's called Collective X Soul Copy. Okay, Collective Soul Copy. So click on that. Open this, and then down below say Open Layout. Right. Click on that. Now you see all these copy of the chart layout. Just click on the trash can and delete them. So if you have 5, just delete them one by one. See it disappear. You have to go back again. Click on that. Click on open layout and then delete the next one. Make sure you do that. Otherwise, you get that message to tell you to upgrade. Just delete your save chart. They allowed you only to have 5. Delete them. Delete all 5 you have to, but delete one of them so you can actually do the save chart and do the alert. Okay. But that's how you do it. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay. Bye.